there, Laura from 5 out of 4 Patterns here, and we are ready for day 3 of our Sherry Top and Dress Sew Along, sponsored by Stitchin' Pretties. We are ready to go. We are working on our shoulder seams. We are working on our side seams. Not going to take you very long today, so you'll be able to post your photos so we can all see them. And yes, let's do it. All right, day 3 is here. Pretty fabulous, pretty easy. We're going to do, I guess I should tell you what we're going to do today. We're going to do our shoulder seams and our side seams. So first, let's this is the back bodice, right side up, and I'm just moving the tie, kind of just putting it in the center because we're going to be sewing today and I don't want it to get caught. All right, I'm going to do the same thing with the front bodice. We're going to push that tie out of the way, but we're going to put it right sides down so you have right sides together for your front and your back bodice. And we are going to clip the shoulder seams first. Now you can do this all in one step if you'd like, or after you've clipped the shoulder seams, head over to your sewing machine and sew your shoulder seams and then come back and do the side seams. I'm going to do it all in one step. It just makes it a little bit easier. So now that I have my shoulder seams clipped, I'm going to clip my side seams as well. We want to match up these little side stitches. I don't know, the seams. These little seams here for the tie, we're going to match those up. All right, now let's head over to our sewing machine. You can use a stretch stitch, zigzag, or serger. I'm using my serger. We're going to stitch the shoulder seams and down both of the side seams, and I'll be right back. All right, here we are. We've done both the shoulder seams and the side seams. Let's turn Sherry right side out and we can see what we've got here. Okay, and you've got both now. Because of the way we did it, both of them are going the same direction, both the ties, I should say. So that's what you want, and so you'll end up tying it like this. This is the back. This is the front. This pattern is so cute. All right. Look how cute that's looking. Oh my goodness gracious. We have finished day 1 where we put our pattern all together. We have finished day 2 where we created both the front and the back bodice. We've finished day 3, which is the shoulder seam and the side seam. And now we are ready for day 4.